Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to write a script for a YouTube video with Google Gemini. So the first step for this process is navigating to gemini.google.com. Log in using your user credentials and you will be on this page. So the first step for the process is brainstorming and topic exploration. Prompt Gemini with suggest engaging YouTube video topics for, now you'll have to type your niche. Suggest engaging YouTube video topics for, now you'll have to type your niche. So for example, if my niche is football channel, type in football channel and hit enter. Now Gemini will suggest some YouTube video topics for my football channel. So these are the topics that are related to analysis and discussion. These are engaging formats. These are unique content. Now YouTube has given me some good engaging formats for my. And if you need to flesh out an existing idea, describe your concept and ask for interesting talking points for a YouTube video about, now enter your niche. If I have a football channel, I will add football channel at the end of this prompt. So this prompt will go like this. Interesting talking points for a YouTube video about your niche. Now what you'll have to do is choose a video topic that Gemini has suggested. Now go to the prompt box and type in enter the length of the video you want for your YouTube channel. So I'll type in 10-minute. Now you'll have to enter the topic. So I've written create a 10-minute YouTube script based on the topic top 10 YouTube fails in history, epic compilation. And if you want to inject humor or create a specific vibe, describe your desired tone to Gemini. So I will type in make the tone of the script funnier. After describing your tone, hit enter and Gemini will generate a YouTube video script based on this prompt. Now if you want some modifications like other elements added to it or you want another intro, you'll have to just go to the prompt box and instruct Gemini to add that element. So for example, if I want to add a bonus part, I will type in add a bonus part in this video. Now I'll click on submit and Gemini will generate another script based on the instruction you would have given. As you can see, this is the script. This script has intro and it's starting with number 10, the cat whisperer fails, the great unboxing debacle, the how-to tutorial gone wrong, the green screen gone wrong. So this has 10 biggest fails in football history and it has outro. Also, if you're not satisfied with this output, you can simply go to the prompt box and type in generate me another YouTube video script and hit enter. And Gemini will generate another version of that exact topic quickly. So that's the simple way to write a script for a YouTube video with Google Gemini. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.